This is continuation from Registration and Visit, Part 2. Here the linked patients will be listed. Patients can be linked to one another with defined relationships, e.g. family members. To link another patient to this patient, click Add Link. Search the other patient to be linked here, and select from this drop-down list. Specify the relationship to this patient. Click Save/Update Link to save this link. Now this patient is linked to the current patient. If the linked patient is under a panel, the current patient can be tagged to the linked patient by clicking Tag. Tagging to another patient can be useful to generate panel invoices that are billed to a single person, e.g. spouse tagged to husband. Refer Tagging Dependent to Panel Patient for more details on tagging panel patients. Patient links can be removed in the Patients page by clicking More Details and clicking this icon to remove the link. Up to 8 allergies can be saved in this registration page for the patient. However, it is strongly recommended for the doctor to review these entries in the patient page as more details need to be added for the allergies. Search for the drugs here and select from this list. If the drug/substance is not found in this list, it can be manually typed in. Whenever allergies are added, the doctor should review them in the patient page by clicking this icon and add the following details to the allergies. To save the additional details, click Add. Patient's image will be displayed here. If MyCard Reader is used, the image from the MyCard will be automatically inserted here. In the patient page, the patient's image will be displayed when More Details is clicked. Patient's image will be displayed here. Clicking MyCard image will load the patient's image from MyCard that is connected to the MyCard Reader. This is hardly necessary as when the data is read from MyCard, the image is automatically saved. To upload a new image of the patient, click Local Image. If Intel SysAssist app is used, the photo can be sent from the app to Media Pool and can be selected from there by clicking Media. The image file can also be selected from the computer. Once the image has been selected, click Upload to save the image. When PDPA appears in red, it means no PDPA consent has been saved. If Intel SysAssist app is used, the digital signature can be obtained and will be automatically saved here. Otherwise, to save a scanned PDPA consent, click Upload. Select the scanned consent file and click Upload to save. When PDPA consent is saved, these will no longer appear in red. To delete the existing PDPA consent file, click Delete. This is the list of previous visits VNs. Clicking the VN will bring you to the patient page. Hovering the mouse pointer on the VNs will show the date/time and notes for that visit. Merge RNs is to merge multiple patients into a single patient. It is not advisable to merge records. Patient Registry will bring you to the patient's registry. Once the patient has been registered, or searched and selected, click Create Visit Now to create a visit. QMS display will bring you to the QMS interface. Do not click this as going to the QMS display page can disrupt the queue calling. After a visit is created, click QMS Queue to assign a queue number to the patient. This page will list all the active visits. Click on the required queue series, Q1 Q10, here and the queue slip can be printed. Patients can be directly messaged via SMS. Click SMS to show the SMS box. To send SMS, enter the message and click Send. Note that SMS function requires additional purchase of SMS credits. Click SMS again to close the SMS box. Clicking the Portal tab will open the Patient Portal activation box. For patients that are interested to get their records in the Patient Portal, the access can be activated here by clicking Register. Click Portal again to close this Patient Portal activation box. Time slips and quarantine memos can be issued/printed without creating a visit. Click Memo to open the memo box. Click here to select either time slip or quarantine. Enter the required details. And click Print. This quarantine memo is automatically saved when printed. The saved memos will be listed here. To reprint, click this and click Print. Do not re-enter the details for the same memo. To print time slips, change the selection here. Enter the required data and click Print. This time slip is automatically saved when printed. To issue a new time slip/quarantine memo, click New to empty the fields. Click Memo to close this box. Every patient can have their own set of non-clinical notes. Click Non-clinical notes to open the box. Enter the notes here. And click End to save the non-clinical notes. Saved notes will be listed here. To delete a note, double-click the note box. Deleted note will appear in semi-transparent gray box. Clicking on this box will show the details. Non-clinical notes cannot be permanently deleted. Click Non-clinical notes to close this box. The same Non-clinical notes tab is also available in the patient page. When searched, by name or ID, this darker blue box will list patients from this clinic, while the lighter blue box lists patients from the connected clinics/branches. If the same patient is listed in this clinic and connected clinics/branches, always select from this clinic. If patient is selected from the connected clinics/branches, the patient's details will be imported into this clinic. Only the demographic data is imported, not clinical data. This box shows the number of matches for this patient in the connected clinics/branches. Click this box to show details. If this patient's record is available in the connected clinics/branches, they will be listed here. Click here again to close this box. The newly created visits can always be checked by clicking the waiting list icon. Newly created visits will appear like this. Visits appearing in blue without chief complaint/triage boxes are visits that are reopened for editing. That's it. You're done.